Hey there, everybody. I wanted to talk to you really quick, tell you about something that could save your starts, your little seedlings here, and it's because of the heat mats. And this is a 100-watt heat mat, and throughout the heat mat, you got a little bit different temperatures in here. Some are a little bit hotter than others. It's just standard with just about any heat mat that you get. This one, 100-watter, I do like them. They're nice and 4 foot long, but they do have some hot spots in them. And I actually got a couple of my starts here that died because of lack of water. You got to water every day, of course, with your starts, and you don't want them to get too dry, but you don't want to put out too much water. But once they start getting going, you're going to have to reduce some of your heat, either reduce it, turn off your heat mat, or add water more often. And I'm going to bring it down so you can see exactly what's going on with this. All right, so as you can see here, I have a couple of my Italian longleaf basil that are pretty much dead. This one I don't think is going to come back. This one's probably dead. And then I got a couple over here that have died too. Well, these are hot spots underneath the heat mat. And I have one of my Genovese. I guess it's Genovese. I can't pronounce anything. A couple of my Genovese have died here. So this is just a hot spot. As you can see, pretty much everything else is doing really good for my basil. And as I come over here, even some of my peppers, these are pretty good. But I just have a couple hot spots under here, and if I just watered this really good last night. But as you can see, the dirt's pretty dry in there. But that's one of the hazards of using a heat mat. You have to water a lot after your plants start going, because they're going to soak up the water. And if you have a little bit of sun that's coming in like we had today, it's going to dry them out even faster. But for the most part, I love the heat mats. They give the extra heat in here in the greenhouse. Right now, the sun came in earlier today, and right now it is good 75, 80 degrees in here. And I don't even need the heat mats on, but at work, you know, I had to leave it on this morning because it was pretty cold. But now I got to get to watering to make sure these things don't die. Well, I hope by watching this really short video that I might have saved some of your seedlings and kept your starts going. If you enjoyed the video, give me a big thumbs up, push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a great day.